I travel for just 10 days and my mailbox is filled with parcels. Okay, let's just quickly unbox them and see what we got in the mail. Starting from probably the least, the most little of them. Okay, so let's see what we got inside here. And this one is actually exciting. And this is one of my favorite Mother's Day gift. I got this also for a friend and who said she needed this. And man, this is a lifesaver. It's a gas lighter with USB-C rechargeable. And once you get it, it can last for years. So what's the next one? The next one should be an interesting thing. So I saw this online that say that this box can actually save or reduce your power savings. Like if you plug it in, it's kind of, I don't know how it works, but I really wanted to test this out to see if it works. The next one, let's see what we got here. So this is a tester. So my about 15-year-old tester was broken, so I decided to get an upgrade of tester for it. And what's in the next box? What's this one? Okay, this one interesting one. A friend asked me for this. I have one type, but I was like, okay, I need to get one, and also maybe I can share with my friend. This is a double camera, a smartphone camera stand, and this one is adjustable. Very good tool for content creation, especially camera comparison. And let's go to the next one. What is this one? What is this one? I think this is the clamp meter. So I got this, for my boys, who are working, when we go to do solar, work, you need to check the two basic things. So this clamp meter can record DC amps, it can record frequency. These two things are things that really affect inverters that most people don't talk about. So with these two, you can check whether the frequency is right and whether the DC current is really delivering what it says is delivering. And the next one, okay, this one was sending from the US. Yeah, for Windows laptop users. Yes, when your battery start going off, when your laptop start acting like desktop, yes, you can get a replacement battery and order. I think this one came from Dell US or somewhere. And I will just still check out to know. So yeah, that's about what we got. There are a whole lot of more things I got, 2 days after I made this video. So make sure you follow me here to get it.